What's up, everyone? Welcome back. This is our final video for our case study. Finally, we are going to finish this off today. So what we're going to go ahead and do today is create a couple more mockups, just some pages of filler for our case study. Then we are going to post this and we will be done with this. This will not be the last case study though project that we do on this channel. This is just a small taste of what's to come in the future. But let's get into it. All right, guys, we are almost done. This is really exciting. Let's take a quick recap. Look at all of this, all of these pages that we've created for our case study. This is quite a bit. What I want to go ahead and do though is to finish this case study off, I do want to go ahead and add a couple of pages of mockups. Now, I want to borrow from the work that I've already done. So I think I'm going to go ahead and recreate a page like this with some diagonal postings, as well as this one right here. And I also think I want to create one like this that showcases 3 cards. This is really cool. Now, the reason I'm not going to reuse these ones is because these ones, I believe I still need to go ahead. I don't think I fully edited these. Let's go ahead and check. If I did, I think I might have changed these already. Oh no, it seems like I haven't. So I guess we did save ourselves some times there. So I am going to be using this one. I'm just going to go ahead and add those iOS status bars. And of course, we are going to be adding our gradient to this background. But I think that means that we are also good to use it on this page here and on this page as well. Awesome. So that does, oh, actually, you know what? I do see here where this might have changed. Let's see. Item names, I did, yep, I just have to change the placeholder names. But you know what? That's a very simple fix. So let's go ahead and copy those over. That's awesome. Very great. I'm very happy for that. That is going to save us a ton of time here to get this finished off. And I'm going to go back to my case study and let's go ahead and copy this last one. You know what? Which one do I like? Let's go ahead and do frame 12 and frame 7. Let's copy these as well. And let's paste these as well. Perfect. So this is going to save us a ton of time. That looks good. Now the only thing I'm going to go ahead and do, which I should have done before I mess with any of these mockups, is go ahead and insert this iOS notification bar. because now I have to go insert that after the fact, and that does not look so cool. Perfect. All right, we're almost there. And just to save ourselves the trouble, let's go ahead and export this group here as well. And let's go ahead and insert it back into our project. 1003 by 804. Do the same. Perfect. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and delete these assets because we don't need them on our page anymore. I want to be able to organize everything. Perfect. And it looks like that is the last one we are going to create, since we are no longer going to be utilizing that page. Perfect. And I think we are done. That is it, guys. You know what? I'm going to keep this here as an asset. All right, guys. So we have completed our entire case study. We've got our homepage, my role, app style guide, problem solution page, user flow chart. We've got our early design ideations, 2 mockups in the wild. We're highlighting our sign in, sign up page, our profile, placing an order, our salutations page, our little thank you, and a couple of mockups to include. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and group all of the pages so that they are easier to export. Then we're going to export them into one folder, and we're going to go ahead and upload them onto Behance and onto Dribble. So let's go ahead and start doing that. And actually, you know what? Now that I see this here, I actually don't really like this. Let's go ahead and generate a fresh one. And let's just go ahead and run up Mockup Studio and get a quick mockup for this. I think that's going to be the best. It won't take long. We're basically done. Let's go ahead and do something like this. Let's click on our sign in page. That's the one I want. Yeah, let's go ahead. That looks good. Scale this down a bit. Man, what's going on? I wish it was easier to read. Sorry guys, I got an itch. I do like them in the background. I'm not gonna lie, I do like them in the background. But I don't like the way that the background is interfering with the text. I do think it's going to be a lot harder to read like that, and I don't like that. Let's see if a drop shadow will create some depth and hopefully create some separation. Yeah, you see, like, this is too busy for me. Let's see what else we can do. And let's see if we can do this. The fill, let's do the fill in white. And the stroke. Perfect. Okay, I think that's going to be a lot better. There you go. There you go. Okay. All right, perfect. I like that. Simple. Let's go ahead and finish grouping all of this. Perfect. And let's just go ahead and get rid of this. We don't need these elements here. I just want to make sure I keep a clean workspace. I am going to go ahead and keep these assets that we did. Perfect. So we've got all of our pages here. And all I'm going to do now is just highlight them. And I'm going to go ahead and export them. I am going to export them into 2x just so that they are a little bit higher quality. Oh, Figma, you froze on me. No. No way. This is happening on a regular basis, that I'm having to reload my browser, restart it, or refresh it, I should say, every couple of tries. That's absurd, man. That's absurd. Especially on a browser that's optimized for the computer that I'm using it on. Come on, guys. That doesn't make sense. Okay, let's try. Oh, there you go. Now we're downloading them. Now we're exporting them. That's great. That's great. That's what I like to see. All right, guys, we're almost there. Let's go on our Behance. This is my first project. I haven't really been posting on this, as you guys can see, but that's going to start now. That's going to change, I should say. Come on, come on. Don't freeze on me. Don't freeze on me again. We're almost there. I want to be able to upload this to Dribble. All right, y'all. So I'm on Behance right now. I've uploaded all of my images. I did have some issues off camera. Real quick, I did have some issues off camera with uploading these images onto Behance. So I took care of that off camera, but I just wanted to go ahead and place these in order. So this is the order that it's going to show up in Behance. We've got our home page, my role. We've got a mockup right here. Very nice, just to break it up. Problem solution, mockup. App style guide, mockup. Early design ideations, mockup. Sign-in page, or the splash page, our highlight of our splash page, mockup. Editing your profile, placing an order, our flowchart, and then our thank you page. So that is it. I am going to go ahead and show you what it looks like once it is submitted. Oh, let's publish this. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and publish this now. And perfect. So I'm not going to go ahead and tweet this. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and click on my profile. So this is my profile here now on Dribble. I'll be sure to add a link to this in the description. But you can just go ahead and click and the project should come up as such. And I'm going to go ahead and upload this to my portfolio and to Dribble as well. But that is it. We made it to the end. And just like that, you guys see that with creating a wireframe for a case study, it does become a lot manageable to create the whole project on your own. I know it seems daunting at first, but definitely creating that wireframe helps. Well, that is it, guys. That is the end of our case study. So we started from a wireframe and we went ahead and created a final version of a case study that we are then able to showcase to people so we can highlight our design skills. So I appreciate you guys sticking through to the end of this series. Like I said earlier, this isn't going to be the last case study project that we do on this channel, but I am very glad that we found a format that works. So thank you guys for sticking through, and I will see you guys all in the future videos to come. Stay hydrated, y'all. Stay safe. Have a great one.